If you can answer online questions, you do homework for students, or you can simply provide information guide, study guides, or any useful information for students online, then this video is actually for you. Hello fam, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you a site in which you can sign up for and you begin to make money online by answering questions online or homework. With this site that I'm going to be sharing with you, you don't only make money by answering questions or doing homework, but you equally make money by selling documents such as study guides, examination preparation materials, past reports, and any helpful information that you can share with students, and you make money on this side. So we have two ways in making money on this side. One is by becoming a tutor to answer online questions, and number two, by selling documents on this side. And the site has multiple payout methods ranging from Payoneer, PayPal, Skrill, Western Union, and many more. I'm going to show you the site as I share my screen with you and show you the detailed look of the site and every important detail that you need to know about this site in making money online. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so by hitting on that red subscribe button below this video, and also the notification bell, so that anytime a new video drops on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. As you can see on your screen, this site is known as StudyPoll. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, where they say 24/7 study help. Get help with study questions from verified tutors. As you can see right here, you can either make money by selling documents on this site or by becoming a tutor. And there are different subjects. There are different subjects which you can make money on this site on, like business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer sciences, law, and foreign languages. And you can become a tutor in any of these subjects, as well as sell documents in any of these domains from any language. So I'm just going to go over to the first method to become a tutor. When you click on become tutor, you go ahead, you sign up for an account. Then you go ahead to agree to the terms and conditions. In the process of signing up for an account as a tutor, it will lead you to this section right here. And they say, please note that StudyPoll has a strict policy against plagiarism. If your application is found to have plagiarism, including text generated by artificial intelligence, such as ChatGPT, it will be immediately declined and you will not have the opportunity to apply again. And also, you don't need to use anybody's information in order to post on this site. As you can see, these are current student questions that they usually post on this site. As you can see, with the respective amounts that they pay. For example, management case study here, which they pay $15. When you click on it, you can read through everything that the student is asking. This is a mathematics question here. As you can see here, every question is being classified according to the category, such as engineering, computer, law, and this site has been reviewed by Glassdoor and other sites and other reputable sites. So to apply, click on start your application now to apply as a tutor to begin to answer questions in the different domains. On this side, you just come over here. They say StudyPool vets all tutors to ensure they are qualified to work on the platform. Like a typical job application, you will be asked to provide information about yourself, your qualification. You will also be asked to answer 3 short questions in the topics of your choice so we can assess your knowledge and skill. So when you click on apply, you click on start application, which you are going to apply for about 30 minutes in order to apply for this site. So here they say you are applying to be a Q&A tutor of Studypool. This is not a traditional form of tutoring. This is what you should expect as a Studypool tutor. So you just need to come down here and you click on acknowledge. It will take you to this section where you need to fill in your personal information. Here we have a 3-step sign up. You need to enter your personal information here. Then you need to enter your educational information here, as well as your academic experience. So you enter your personal information, your educational background, and your academic experience as a tutor in order to become a tutor on this site. The second way in which you can make money on this site is by selling documents. This is the section where you click on sell documents. They say earn money by selling study documents, and you earn up to $5,000 a month, and we share your document to tens of millions of students, and you get up to $10 every time a student view one. And they equally accept documents in all languages, and you can share documents relating to business, humanity, mathematics, programming, science, and writing. Under business, you can narrow it down. You can select either accounting, advertising, biotechnology, business, Excel, Facebook marketing, news media, PowerPoint, and so on. You can equally share information on humanities such as African study, American studies, cooking and baking, fashion design, and so on. You can share mathematics documents such as graphs and so on, programming, Java, and so on, sciences such as agriculture, anatomy, microbiology. Writing, you can share information on application writing, and so on. So there are many topics that you can choose here in order to sell document. What you do is that you upload document and the system approve, and then they show the document to tens of millions of students, and you earn $10 anytime a student view your document. So meaning that anytime that your document is being viewed by a student on this site, you make up to $10. So the only thing is that you need to upload useful documents that are useful to students. I'm going to show you some of, they say, introduction to technology and body organization studies for $4,404 for 734 documents sold. Then for this, $3,360 for 672 documents that have been viewed. Here is medical surgery nursery notes, $336 for 42 documents sold. Chemistry practice exam and so on, $1,220 for 122 views that has been viewed. So these are different documents that are being uploaded by people on this site, and they are being viewed by students, and they make money. For example, this one is 9 pages. As you can see, this is 9 pages, this is 89 pages. So these are some of the top earners on this site: $95,132, $93,207. These are the top earners on this site that have shared documents, and they make money on this site. As you can see, they say upload to earn up to $10 per document viewed. You sell practice tests, examination preparation materials, study guides that can be resourceful for students, past homework, projects, report, presentations, and detailed class and lecture notes. You just come over here and you upload your documents, and they accept content in all languages from all countries, as you can see right here. So any information that is useful to students, you can go ahead and you upload it on this side. And the conditions for your documents include high quality material. Our system will check if it is high quality, and you need to add document details to every document, and then you need to send meaningful or educational value information. Except low quality document, bad titles, duplicate content, and copyrighted content. So if you duplicate content or low quality, bad titles, this site will not accept your documents. So how do you get paid on this site? When you click on payment methods here, it will lead you to this section where they say we pay users from all countries around the world using Payoneer, using PayPal, using Wise, using Western Union, using ACH and bank deposit, using check issues, using Mepesa, and using Skrill. So these are the cash out methods that you can cash out your money on this system. How can you withdraw your money on this side? You simply go back and you click on this menu, then you go down to my account. You click on my account right here. It will lead you to this section, and on this section you are going to see the total of everything that you have on this side. Then you click on withdraw money. When you click on withdraw money, you are going to see all the cash out methods that are available on this side. As you can see, we have Payoneer, we have PayPal, we have Wise, we have Western Union, and all the payout methods listed here. So this is a new account that I just created, so that's the reason why you see 00. With Payoneer, you need $3 flat fee to withdraw. PayPal 3.5%, Wise 3.5% fee, Western Union $10 flat fee, and this is instant or up to 1 week, then 1 to 7 business day, 1 to 3 business days. With Western Union, you need to pay a fee of $10. With this 1 to 7 business day, 1 to 3 business days, so it makes up to 7 business days for you to receive your money on this site, depending on the cash out method that you select. So this is how you can make money online, by being a tutor or by selling documents. And these are the different cash out methods which you can select from it. I hope you find value in this video, and if you do, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also go ahead and subscribe to this channel by hitting on that red subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification beside it, so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. You can check out this video right here to see other ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.